What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars. In today's episode, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this cordless polisher that POPOMAN or POPOMAN. Let me get some clarity on that. But anyway, they sent me over this nice cordless polisher and they wanted me to give it a try. So we're going to open up and see what we get in the box. So let's jump into the video. They sent me this over and asked me to review it, so let's see what we have in the box. First thing first is we have a nice carrying bag here. That's pretty nice. Always nice to have something to put your tools in. Let's see what we have inside the bag. So we have our instructions as usual. It comes with a microfiber cloth. It comes with some pads here. We have, looks like a buffing pad, and then we have some kind of cutting pad here. We have another pad. I think this pad is for if you have to get out scratches or anything like that. Next, we have some hardware. We have a handle here. We'll open that in a few. For the main attraction, we have the polisher. Feels good in your hands. All right. Oh. Surprise, surprise. We have another pad. We have another handle, a D handle. We have the charger. That's always nice to get. A lot of times you get the tool by itself, then you have to buy the charger, and you have to buy the battery. Yep. So here is our battery. All right. And it looks like that's everything that comes in the bag here. So let's set the bag to the side for a minute. So this is a nice kit. This is the first time that I heard of the company. So it's pretty cool. The brand coloring is the green and the yellow or orange. So let's dive a little bit into the actual polisher. So it's a 6-inch orbiting polisher. It has variable speed here. It goes from 6 to 1, or I should say 1 to 6. It has a trigger, and on this side it has a lock, so you can lock the trigger in. That way you don't have to worry about pressing this and get any type of fatigue or anything like that in your hand. And I believe it said that it's a variable trigger as well, so I'm not sure if it's pressure sensitive to where you can gradually increase the speed just with the trigger. That would be nice. So it is battery operated. It comes with a 20-volt rechargeable battery. It has a battery indicator on the back here. Press that. It tells you how much charge you have on the battery. It's not too heavy actually. And it has a rubber grips around here. I guess that's just so you can protect the battery when you sit it down. So that's nice. Got the release clamp, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and slide it on. So that's not bad. So one thing that I was kind of curious about was how heavy would it be with the battery, because typically things with batteries are heavier than corded. So this is balanced out very well. It's really nice. I couldn't imagine too much fatigue. Oh, forgot the battery is on there. All right, so it's not a variable trigger. It's on or off. Not too bad. I don't see a lot of vibration or anything like that. I can tell more once we use it. But for right now, we're just going over what we got. Pretty standard charger. So one thing that's nice about this, it has 3 different ways you can hold the polisher. First one being this here, which is, I wouldn't say it's standard, but I see it on a lot of different polishers. You can kind of hold it like this, and it gives you, I'd say, a lot of control. Then you have your side handle here. You can put it either on the left or the right of the tool. So it takes this Allen wrench to take the screw out. Then you just screw it in there like that. Now you can hold it like this. Nice motion as well and control. Then if you want to take it a step further, you take this out. take out the other screw here. Then you can put on this handle here. And one nice thing about this, it has grooves. So you can lock it into the position that you want it. And then you just put your screws back in there like that and lock it in. So the backing pad is like most of the polishers, hook and loop or Velcro. So that sticks on. And like I said, it's a 6-inch surface, so that's a pretty big size. Should accommodate most standard pads. And oh, this is pretty cool. I think it has a slot here for your tool. Okay, no, that's not what that's for. I wouldn't keep it on there anyway. You have your wrench to take off the pad if you ever needed to, or the backing pad. And I believe that's it. So this is, let me get the name. So this is the PMPO01D brushless cordless polisher. If you want to check it out for yourself, I have a link down in the description below. Alright, so that's all for this video. I just wanted to do an unboxing, show you what was in the box. I want to give a big thank you to the POPOMAN people that sent this to me. And if you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Give me that thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget, do it until you can't. Until next time, I'm out.